Quantum Effects on Gravitationally Bound Neutron Star Binaries, a Descriptive Study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Since the quantum field theory was invented at the end of 1920s, attempts have been made to apply it to gravitational field. After more than 20 years, the formal quantum theory of gravity, which describes any systems as an action function in a canonical Hamiltonian method, achieved for the first time a state of completion. Contrary to the situation held for the canonical theory, a covariant treatment also was developed to deal with the physical conditions such that effects of vacuum processes must be considered. In this chapter, we start from a brief introduction to the history of construction of quantum theory of gravity and consider the applications of two quantization methods to inspiraling neutron star binary systems. Aim to investigate the mass generation of the gravitons and the corresponding quantum effects on the gravitational potential. We proposed the gravitational Higgs mechanism and calculate the quantum corrections to the Newtonian potential of wide inspiraling neutron star binaries. We mainly focus on the gravitational quantum effects on dynamics of the gravitational quanta radiated from different systems by using canonical method and on the gravitational potential of the binaries by employing the covariant treatment. The possible detections and constraints to the quantum effects are also discussed. This review explores the history and development of quantum gravity, the effort to merge quantum mechanics with Einstein's theory of gravity. Early work in the 1930s showed that applying quantum theory to gravity led to mathematical problems involving infinite values, especially when considering tiny particles like photons. It was soon realized that quantum effects of gravity only become important at incredibly high energies, far beyond what we can currently reach in experiments. In the 1950s, scientists tried new methods to better handle these infinities, using tools like Hamiltonian mechanics, which breaks problems down into energy and motion components. This approach laid the groundwork for what we now call the canonical quantization of gravity. Later, a different method was developed that used a flexible background space instead of a fixed one, allowing a more generally applicable and consistent mathematical framework. This review focuses on how these theories can be applied to real astrophysical systems, specifically, binary systems of neutron stars, which are extremely dense remnants of exploded stars. As these stars spiral toward each other, they emit gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime. The review examines how quantum theories of gravity might influence this radiation, including whether gravitational particles could gain mass in a way similar to how the Higgs mechanism works in particle physics. Finally, the paper looks at how quantum corrections could subtly affect the gravitational force between two stars, and whether these tiny effects might one day be observed. While current technology can't detect such minute quantum changes, understanding them is crucial for building a complete theory of gravity that works at both cosmic and quantum scales. Gravitational waves are ripples in spacetime created by massive objects like neutron stars, NS, spiraling toward each other. These waves are typically very weak and hard to detect, especially when the stars are far apart and orbit slowly. Ground-based detectors like LIGO can't pick up these low-frequency signals, but future space-based observatories like LISA may be able to. Some neutron stars may also produce additional waves due to their internal structure, which LISA might detect. While quantum effects in gravity are extremely small and undetectable with current tools, the spinning of neutron stars could slightly disturb spacetime in ways that leave tiny traces over long distances. Observing these effects using pulsar timing or studying dark energy through cosmological observations might help us understand these subtle quantum influences. Overall, these observations could provide new insights into gravity, neutron stars, and the mysterious forces shaping our universe. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.